Servicing the Hideaway in-wall cistern is quick and easy. We'll show you how. The first thing you need to do is remove the buttons. Push and lift from the bottom of the button housing and gently pull it off towards yourself. Then rotate the spacers to unlock the faceplate and lift it off as well. Disconnect the pneumatic hoses, and if you need to remove the canisters, you can twist those off as well. Now you can turn off the water from inside the cistern and unscrew the flexi hose. For the outlet valve, squeeze and press down the tab and take out the locking rod. The outlet valve is now unlocked. To remove the outlet valve, grab it and pull up. Angle it to the side and it will come out of the cistern easily. To remove the base of the outlet valve, twist to unlock it. The grey seating washer or the black base seal can be replaced if needed. To remove the inlet valve, simply squeeze and press down the tab and pull in an upward motion. Once you have performed the needed maintenance, we do these steps in reverse. Put the inlet valve back in the cistern, lining it up to the side and clip into place. And reattach the flexi hose. Place the outlet valve back into the cistern. And secure it in place by sliding the locking rod behind the outlet valve. You'll hear it click. Insert both canisters into their correct sockets and turn them into place. And push the blue and white hoses into their corresponding canister. Push the rods in to hold the button frame in place and rotate them to lock. Clip the buttons onto the frame, pushing from the bottom while rotating the top into place. Give it a flush to make sure the buttons are working, and you're done. Simple and seamless.